Are you looking for the secret to fresh and youthful skin? The answer may lie in vitamin E. The benefits of vitamin E for the skin. Deep moisturizing. Vitamin E moisturizes the skin from the inside, making it soft and radiant. Protection from damage. With its antioxidant properties, vitamin E protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and pollution. Anti-aging. Vitamin E helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look younger. Relieve inflammation. Vitamin E soothes inflamed skin and protects sensitive skin. Accelerate wound healing. Vitamin E helps to regenerate skin cells and speed up the healing process. Note: for best results, it is advisable to use skincare products containing vitamin E and consult a dermatologist to get the right tips for your skin. Do you have any other questions about vitamin E or skincare? Important note: despite the many benefits of vitamin E, it is important to use it with caution and avoid overuse, as it may cause irritation for some.